Okay, today I welcome you to join me on me going through all the crap that I've bought in. Well, this is most of it. All the crap that I've bought in like the last, I don't know, little while. Everything from this clamp this way I paid for. Everything from this clamp this way was free. So, yeah. We'll get this out of the way first. I bought this off Marketplace. Probably not intended for what I wanted it to do, but I paid $15 for it. It was like basically brand new, so that wasn't bad. I just thought I'd share that. It's like a detail sander / polisher thing. I don't know. Yeah. So we'll go over the purchased items first, and I'm gonna try to remember what I paid for all of this, but some of it I don't think I remember. The vise, hopefully you can see it. Not really. Sorry for the lighting situation. I dropped that light yesterday. I still haven't even picked it up. But we got this tiny little vise. Sorry. We got this tiny little vise for $8. Not bad. It's a cheap one, and I've already basically destroyed it, but it works, I guess. You know? So, alright. So I'm gonna try to get some of the bigger stuff out of the way. This was $10 for this whole thing. It's not bad. It's got all different kinds of files, you know, the basic ones, and then it's got a RAS, and then the 4-in-1 thing, and then these tiny little files which are good to have. So for $10 is a little bit much in my opinion, because I'm cheap, but still good to have. This thing, I paid $5 for that. It comes in handy. It's just a big piece of metal that you put sandpaper on. Yeah. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, $5. Not bad. Comes in handy, that's for sure. This I kept the price tag on because I haven't done anything with it. $3. It's Greenlee. I've never heard of Greenlee, but it's really nice. It's got leather on the back. It's a round cut to it. So I thought that'd be fun to clean up and nice to have, I guess, for $3. These little locks, I just picked them up because I thought they'd be kind of cool to mess around with. I paid $1 a piece, so they're just old locks. This one's like a skeleton key type one. This one, I don't know. I just thought they were cool. And this one's got a lot of brass on it, which make kind of cool looking. This I paid $1 for. It's a little ratcheting wood handle screwdriver. I cleaned it up and it looks pretty nice, I would say. But someone used it as like a pry bar, and I just haven't been able to fix that part yet, but it looks cool. And it does function for the most part. Like, it's a little bit crunchy, and it looks cool. And I paid $1, so hopefully you can see that. Sorry if my camera work is not the greatest. I'll try to bring the light over a little bit more. Yeah, there's that guy. Trying to get all the stuff that I remember the prices of out of the way first, because like some of it I just don't remember. This I paid $1 for. Probably paid too much, honestly. But it's a little tiny flathead with a clip on it. I just like those kind of screwdrivers, and I really like that type of handle. I don't know. A lot of people don't like them, but I do. We got 2 of these. This one I paid pretty much nothing for, because at the thrift stores, if it's not priced, they charge you for the pound, like $1 a pound. So I probably paid pretty much nothing for this, because it wasn't marked. I just like I've started to like these multi-bit screwdrivers just because they're, I don't know, they're handy, I guess. But I really like this one because it's got like the, I don't know, I call it jello green, emerald green, I guess, whatever. I just really like that color. Sorry, I just kicked you. This was 50 cents. Just a really cool screwdriver. It's got initials on it or something. I don't know. I think it's homemade. It might not be, but it's cool. 50 cents if I didn't say what I paid. $5 for this thing. Just a cheap little pocket knife. I try not to. It's got the tweezers in it and the aluminum toothpick. I don't know, $5 is a little bit much, but okay, I paid $1 for this and it was brand new. I put the handle on it, but brand new little triangular file for $1 in the package still. So that was good. Can't remember the brand, but it was like American something. I don't know. I paid either $5 or $6 for this. If you want to know exactly, just go watch the video of me restoring it. It's just like a little bearing press type thing. I don't know. Probably never use it, but I thought it was cool. This I paid $3 for. I wouldn't have paid that if it wasn't in such good condition. All the bits are like basically brand new. Probably just used around someone's house a couple times, but for $3 it's a little bit much, but that's just me being cheap. I think it's cool. This I paid $1 for. It was new old stock. It had the price tag on it and everything, never used. I don't know if this is a nail set or if it's a drift punch, but one of the two, and it's made by Gray Canada. D23 it says on it. I don't know, brand new for $1. You couldn't even get it brand new, I don't know, 20 years ago for that, so yeah, it's kind of cool that it was $3.85 back then. That's, I don't know, not cheap, I guess, for a little piece of metal. Paid $2 for these. It's a feeler gauge set. It's clapped right out, but it's got a little measuring tape in it. I just thought it was cool for $2. What does it say on it? Caster, made in USA. I don't know. I just thought it was cool. $2. Can't even read the numbers on it, so kind of useless. The rest of this, I paid the well, other than the free stuff from here over. There is another SK electrolyte that I bought. There was 3 of them, but I don't know where it is right now. So, but all this stuff was the $1 a pound kind of thing. So yeah, I paid $1 a pound for all of this. You got a little breaker bar. I think it's 1/2 inch. I don't know. I'm not good at the sizes yet. Still got to figure that out. Yeah, I think that's 1/2 inch. And then the wrenches. These are nice. I want to clean them up, but they look like they were barely used. They're just left in a toolbox somewhere. These little tiny wrenches, these are cool. The one is a Long brand. Never heard of that. This one's a Gray Canada. It's in really good shape too. And then this one's a Craftsman with a V on it. I just thought those were kind of neat. And then a couple pairs of wire cutters, or whatever you want to call them. These say CTC on them, and then some other stuff that you can barely read because they're so old. I bought those because I thought those were nice, and then I found these like the next day, and I like these even more. They're Elliot Lucas, Electroloy, this and that, Mechanic England, but they're just really nice, so I grabbed them. And then this is like my favorite chisel at this point. I just really like the handle on it. I got that for the $1 a pound deal. So. And then a little Phillips stubby. Now we get to move on to the free stuff, which I think is more interesting. Yeah. So let me situate the lighting as best as I can. I don't have a very good setup. So I'll start here. This was all of this was free, and the reason why it was free, my buddy was helping a guy move into a house, and everything that was in the house, he didn't want it, I guess, I don't know. So he just said everything goes, you know, take what you want. So I helped my buddy out, and then in return for helping them out, I got all this stuff. So this clamp, it's missing one of the feet things, but you know, whatever, still useful. A couple of flathead screwdrivers, actually 3 of them. I cleaned this one up, it didn't look like that. Looks really good now. And then there's a fuller, whatever, another fuller. We got how many files? 2, 4, 6, 8. If you want to call that a file, or if it's a rasp, that's what it's called. But do you consider it a file too? I don't know. But some of them are just some sort of Korean brand, but some of them are Globe. Like this one's Globe. These 2 big ones are Globe. This one that one's Globe too, I think. I think that's what that says. So they're nice files, but this one's some sort of Korean one, and it's, I don't know. Whatever. There's this little wrench, 11/16, forged in USA by 1932. No other name or nothing on it, but I just like the patina to it. Looks cool. Sorry. This is perfect. Camera work. This little guy, I don't know what you do with it other than just hang it on a string, and I just don't know what, doesn't even make sense. My explanation, this makes sense, but the fact that I don't get it doesn't make sense, so just ignore that. It's just a level. I don't have to think about it that much. We got a square, which is really nice, because like, there's been many times where I could have used this, and I didn't have it. Now I do. It's made by Victor. I don't know if you can see that, I don't know if you care, but it says Victor, New Britain, Con, USA, F4. So that's cool. It was really rusty, and I just wire reeled it. Same with this. It's a nice saw. The handle was loose too, but I just tightened it up. Seems to be good. It says SANDVH. I don't know. Oh no. SANDVIK 275 or something. I don't know. Works good though. I've used it a couple times. Holy. And then this, I got the head from the guy that was moving, and then the buddy that I helped out, he gave me the handle, and the last 2 days I've spent putting it together. My first time putting an axe together. I think I put it on upside down, so that's great, but it looks cool. I grabbed these because I think they'd be kind of fun just to like customize. You don't have to worry about it. They're not branded or nothing, so, you know. And they're junk. Like, nothing lines up, nothing closes, well, they close alright, but nothing lines up, so yeah, you could do whatever you want with these and not feel bad about it. Little clamp, made in USA. There was 2 of them, but I didn't look at it. The other, like, close enough. The one was broken, so we got one. Stanley 12.99 knife. I think this is really pretty cool for free, you know. I want to try to clean it up, see what we can do with it. Last 2 things here. Just imagine throwing this out. What does it say? Blue Point Supreme, made in Canada, 5/16 by 1/4. Like, that wrench is Blue Point. That's Snap-on's. Cheaper? Is it more expensive or is it cheaper? I think it's their cheaper brand. I don't know. I don't know anything about Snap-on. know it's some sort of snap-on thing. Like, yeah, I think it's their cheaper line. And then I got this fan, which I think the fan is like the best thing that I got, you know? This thing's sweet. It's a Mastercraft Canadian Tire thing. I don't know. But I just like the blue fan blades, and then the blue here, and the silver, and all the buttons work, everything. Yeah, that thing's cool. Even the oscillation, or I don't know what you want to call it, but like, you know, it goes back and forth kind of thing. That works. Oh my god, I'm dying. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna spend the next month of my life cleaning up all these tools. I mean, stuff like this, I just wire wheeled it because, like, you know, it's gonna get used and abused. So, but the hatchet, I mean, that's just practice for this one, which was my papa's old like axe. I don't know. He was in the fire department for 42 or 43 years, so this could have been. It very likely was in the fire department. It might not have been, but either way, I wanted to practice on this one. Sorry. I wanted to practice on this one over here so that I could make sure I can do a good enough job on this one, because this is going to be like a tribute to my papa. So, yeah. We're going to, I don't know, we're going to see about this handle. I'd like to keep it, but I don't know, somebody's, I'm not even going to lie to you, that was me. I can't lie to you. I was going to say somebody did that, but that was me. And I've just kind of, I didn't know nothing about axes at the time. Still don't, but I think I've ruined it. Hopefully I didn't. Somebody tell me if you know, if you can even see properly. I don't really know. Can you see that? Yeah. The wedge is gone, I think completely at this point, and now it's been replaced with nails. Can I just pull those and, well, I guess I'd have to take the head off to see, so maybe we'll start there. But I'm scared to get into this one because it's actually worth something to me. This was free, you know, the handle means more to me because my friend actually gave that to me. The rest of this was just some guy that was going to throw all this stuff out. It's like, you know, but this thing actually means a lot because I don't have a whole, like I do, but I don't have a whole lot of my papa. So I want to do this up very nice as a tribute to him. Because, yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, whatever this was. I'm going to try to do better next time because this, I mean, it's not bad, you know. I got all this crap for free, but, you know, I want to get, I need to get a toolbox, like a tall, I don't know what you call it, like, whatever. Anyways, that's it for today. But we're going to try to get into bigger stuff, is what I'm trying to say. So, also, power tools, I need to get into that, so, you know. Okay, that's all. Yeah. This will be coming up soon. This video should be coming up this week. And then just other things will pop up here and there, but I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you come back for the next one.